I'm going to show you today how to deal with one of the most confusing things with every door direct mail, which is odd size bundles. The post office gives you no instructions on how to do this. It's like one of the top questions I get all the time. I own printingforsupercheap.com, the lowest price EDDM that you can find, and I get this question asked all the time. I'm going to make it super easy for you, don't worry. I'm going to thank my man Rick Nguyen, I think I said it right, for this with Digibytes Food. So shout out to Digibytes Food Hub in Chambly, am I saying it? Chambly, Georgia. I'm hungry too. It's late in the day, and I want, you can use seafood combo. Oh, I can't put the word. It's a bad word on there. I can't put it. Oh, I want that. Fried gizzards, grilled cheese, lobster, Cajun pizza. I got to stop looking at this card. So you have your postcards, okay? You pick your routes on every door direct mail, right? And it gives you this paperwork. You pay for it, and it shows you this thing right here, this page right here, which shows the quantities of each route. In this case, we have a route of 550 and a route of 787. The post office wants you to bundle these into 50s or 100s. And that's just so it makes it manageable for the mail carrier. They know, okay, I can grab 100 of these, and they can kind of know how much mail that'll last them before they have to come back to the truck. It makes it very easy, especially with high quality postcards like we print are very glossy and they slide all over. So it's really nice to have them banded. You can band them with twine, rubber bands, or you can, if you print through me, I'll even band them for you. Here is 787. So that would be how many bundles? 8. Hopefully you guessed 8 right. 8 bundles. 7 of 100 and then 1 of 87. You don't have to count the hundreds out. And I have a video on how to quickly count these things out too, in case you got them from somewhere that isn't banded. But I'm just going to assume you have your bundles all in 100s. Take the facing slips. They're these things that print out. I didn't fill this one out yet, but it would say 100 pieces. It would say the day and the number of bundles. That might be like one of 8. I like to fold them like this and put them right under. I tuck them right underneath the twine or the rubber banding. It's nice and neat. And then you put them in a container in a whatever you're using to bring it to the post office. And the mail carrier can quickly see how many pieces, how many bundles there are, and what route it goes to. When you get to that odd one, there's going to be the one oddball bundle. In this case, it's 87. If they came in 100s, you take that out, you count 87, and you put a rubber band around it. So now you have one of 87, the oddball, and then you just write 87 on the facing slip. So on that facing slip, you'd put 87. This is bundle 8 of 8 or 1 of 8. I usually do bundle 1 as the oddball, but you could do 1 or 8, and it would say 87. That's all you do. It's one of the most common questions asked. It's one of the things that trip people up. I have a whole guide that walks you through this process. It's totally free. You can get it in the description below. There's a link. It's called my EDDM bundle. It's totally free. You just click it, put your email in, and it delivers instantly, walks you through the whole process if you have any questions. I prefer texting, emailing, but my cell phone number is this. You can text anytime, shoot me an email. Me or one of my minions will help you pretty much around the clock. If it's something to do with EDDM, then I'm your guy to talk to. This guy is going to sell a lot of these. Lobster, Cajun pasta, grilled. It's got the coupons, free chicken egg rolls, the seafood combo, 1 cluster snow crab. Okay, I got to get these things mailed out for him. So watch more of my videos. Anything to do with every door direct mail, I am your guy.